In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll be able to start a collage confidently, pick the right layout for your idea, bring in your photos, place them exactly where you want, and fine-tune size, position, and spacing so everything looks polished and intentional. First, open Adobe Express and look for the Create button. It typically sits near the top of the interface. Click Create, then choose Collage. This is your shortcut to a workspace that's already tailored for arranging multiple images. If the option doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to load. Once you're in, you're set to design. Now you'll decide whether to use a template or start with a blank canvas. Templates are great when you want a head start. Each comes with a predefined grid and thoughtfully spaced frames. Pick one that matches your story, whether that's a simple 2x2 grid or a more dynamic mosaic. If you prefer complete control, choose a blank canvas. This gives you a clean slate where you can define your own layout. Keep in mind the final destination. A square canvas works well for social feeds, while a horizontal canvas can be better for presentations or banners. With your canvas ready, upload the photos you want to include. Choose images that share a similar vibe. Consistent lighting or color tones help them feel cohesive. Try to gather all the photos before you start placing them. It makes arranging smoother. High-resolution files give you more flexibility to crop and resize without losing clarity. Drag and drop your photos into the template or grid. If you're using a template, simply place each photo into a frame. Adobe Express will snap it into position. You can reorder quickly by dragging one photo over another to swap their spots. On a blank canvas, drag images onto the page and build your layout piece by piece. Start with your most important photo to anchor the design, then fill in the supporting images around it for balance. Finally, adjust the size, position, and spacing for each photo. Use the corner handles to scale proportionally and the on-canvas controls to nudge images into place. If a photo doesn't fit perfectly, reposition it inside its frame to crop creatively. Focus on faces, key details, or leading lines. Check the spacing between images. Even margins make the collage feel organized, while tighter spacing creates a more unified edge-to-edge look. Zoom in to align edges cleanly, and step back occasionally to see the overall balance. And that's it. Your collage in Adobe Express, thoughtfully arranged and ready to share.